human beings are not just the physical body, but we are 7 body system. Let's understand these 7 bodies in full detail. The first one that we see with our eyes is the physical body, Annamaya Kosha. It grows because of the food. Physical body needs food for survival. Because of our scientific conditioning, societal conditioning, most of the time we think that we are the physical body, but that's the biggest myth. We are a 7 body system. The second body is the etheric body, which is also known as Pranamaya Kosha. It is about 1 to 2 inches all around the physical body, which is basically the pranic body, the energy body, the vitality force in the body, or some of the masters have also mentioned about heat of the body. Etheric body is where all our desires are there. When you feel hungry or when you experience the impulse for the sexual desire, it comes from the etheric body. So all the desires are in the etheric body. You see, the dead body also has got the physical body, but the dead body doesn't feel hungry. Why? Because the etheric body is not there. The hunger is felt in the etheric body. The third body is the emotional body or the astral body. That is where all our emotions are stored. It is about 1 foot from the physical body all around. It is an ellipsoid. So 3-dimensional ellipsoid. And you see, the language has also developed like that. Red with rage, green with envy. This language is indicative that our astral aura becomes red when you feel anger. It becomes green when you experience envy within you. So all the colors of your emotions are reflected in your emotional body or the astral body, which is the third body. The fourth body is the mental body. That is where all our thoughts are experienced. The picking up of the thought, the antenna, is all in the mental body, and we actually watch the thought in the mental body, and the thoughts are all around hovering. The clairvoyants are even able to see those thoughts. The fact is, the thoughts are in the environment. Our mental body, like an antenna, picks up the thought. Half a second later we say, oh, this is my thought. The fact is, there is nothing like your thought and my thought. It's only whose antenna has picked up. Because of our association with the thought, that we say it's a my thought. Actually, it's a hovering thought in the space which has been picked up by your antenna, and it has come into your mental body. All the conflicts are actually in our mental body. When there are 2 options, there is a choice. But if you are associated too much with your thoughts, the 2 thoughts can appear as a conflict. So all the mental conflicts are experienced in the mental body, the fourth body. The fifth body is the causal body, Karan Deha. This is where all our karmas are there. See, we are able to do the past life regression therapy and understand our past birth because all our past birth karmas are actually stored in the causal body. Through hypnosis or through awareness techniques or meditative techniques, if you can log in to your causal body, you can actually experience your present life past karmas or previous birth karmas. So it is possible to log into the causal body and understand our karma. The sixth body is the spiritual body. Spiritual body and the seventh body is the Nirvanic body or the divine body. The sixth and the seventh body have got no engrams. Both are illuminated with your enlightenment and liberation. So when a person feels lighted in the sixth body, which is the cosmic body, That is what is the experience of enlightenment. When you go beyond your attachment with the body, mind, intellect, emotions and karma, that sixth body, the cosmic body, is illuminated, and that is what is the word enlightenment. It has got the word light in it. So, that is the enlightenment. And the last one is the liberation, monadic, or the dissolution. The seventh one is also known as the Nirvanic body, the dissolution body, where everything simply disappears. It is like the drop of the water falls in the ocean and merges with the ocean, becomes one with it, and it totally disappears in the ocean. So, these seven bodies, if we understand initially as a concept, but as you develop your clairvoyant ability, you can actually see these layers. With your higher awareness, you can actually log into these bodies. You can get the information. Many of our pineal gland activated children are actually able to do so and read the Akashic records, scan through the body, have got many powers of the third eye. So, the children are actually able to do it, and many seers, the masters, the rishis were also able to do it. There are many people in the villages, they are able to do these things. It is just a matter of developing awareness of all these seven layers and finding the way to log into those bodies, so that we can understand this seven body concept not just as a concept, but as an experiential understanding. Thank you.